luck.
No, really?
Scott?
An explanation is probably long overdue.
An explanation? Jesus Christ, Dad, an explanation? Look at me. Look at you.
It's not as bad as it looks.
Wait a minute, Dad. I mean, you knew about this? You knew about this and you didn't tell me?
I was hoping I wouldn't have to. Sometimes it skips a generation. I was hoping it would pass you by.
Well, Daddy, it didn't pass me by. It landed on my face. What the hell am I gonna do?
Hello.
Hi.
There's something different about you.
That's nice.
Did you change your hair? Missed your lunch today, Scott.
Yeah, hi, Boof. Sorry, I forgot.
Well, I have to go study my lines. Kurt, Mr. Line. He's so demanding. Bye.
What form did this particular miracle take, Scott Howard? Very amusing, Scott, but you are correct. The infants were saved and suckled by a wolf. A she-wolf.
Wolf. Achoo. Scotty? Styles, it's me. What do you think?
Can you do that anytime you want?
Yeah, I guess so. I mean, I just did. But see, sometimes it happens when I don't want it to.
What can I say? You're beautiful.
Come on, get me some salt. Salt.
Quickly ball back to him. Good, Scott. Good, Scott.
Easy. Easy.
Come on, let's go.
You may think that you're something special around here, but let me remind you that I am still the vice principal.
Hey, I'm no different than anyone else. That's nice. You look good in that. Sergeant, burn the fields, and when you're done with that, burn the house.
Wolf person, whatever your name is. That was really...
Thanks, babe. I love you.
something.
As Scott Howard, I'm gonna be average. I mean, damn it, why do I have to be like everybody else?
That's not a problem for you anymore. And I guess I don't have a date for the dance.
Look, Poof. I'm sorry. Can't. Hey, listen, you'll still dance with me, won't you? Even if I'm a werewolf?
Yes, dance with you.
Stick with your own kind, freak. Like that little tramp.
Oh.